How to switch account on Reddit. For this, go ahead and launch your Reddit application on your mobile device. You can also do this process on your web browser or PC. Once you are on your Reddit, you have to tap on your profile icon or your avatar at the top. In here, you will see a drop icon next to your username. Tap on it. You will have all of the suggested username right here. If you do not have an account, simply tap on Add a new account. You can connect it with the Google or email as well. If you do not want to add any of the account, you can also try the anonymous browsing. For that, tap on your avatar again, then tap on the drop-down icon and head to anonymous browsing. In the anonymous browsing, it is similar to your incognito mode where you can browse without revealing your identity, and it will not store any of the data or cookies that you went through. Isn't it such a cool feature? If you face any of the difficulty regarding the switch up, that might be a bug issue. For that, press and hold the app and head to App Info. Or stop it. Tap on Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. Once you do this, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Reddit. Tap on it. If there was an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.